What's up, guys? I know it's been a long minute since I last updated or uploaded anything, but it's a new project that I got. Not so much of a project because it doesn't need much at all, but I do have some little stuff here and there that I want to change out, like the headlights, put some wheels and tires, sunroof, tail lights, fog lights, maybe a carpet because it doesn't have a carpet. It has a plastic liner. But this is a '06 Silverado, Duramax 6.6. It's a Lbz 4x4. It's an actual regular cab dually. It's not a cabin chassis. I know there's some cabin chassis where you try to put a dually bed, you have like a big gap right there in between, and the wheels, I think the axle is narrower than this one, so it wouldn't work. It has been converted already to electric windows, power locks, but for some reason the guy used like the 99-02 buttons instead of the 0306. He used the 0306 door panels. Has Pioneer aftermarket stereo. It has not a tripod, just 2 pods. One of them's for, I think, the turbo. Then it has a trailer brake controller. It has been straight piped, and it has a tune. There's a single tune, but I really want to change it to the 5 tune with the little dial in it. Now it is a 4x4, and I bought some 4x4 stickers that go right here on the bed. It has these aftermarket tail lights, which I might change out. The bed has a good sized dent right here, so I'm gonna try to put the cover that goes here from the 0306, because the 99-02 is like really flat and I don't like it. It has a dirt brake light. The bumper is in pretty good shape, so I won't change that. Maybe color match the chrome part to white. The pad and the fender flares, I want to paint them white. I might change this one out because it has a little dent here. The lower valence, I want to change it out so I can put the fog lights. I don't know why they made this hole. I don't think there's anything attached to it, but I might have to change this one out too. I do want to put a 24-inch Alcoas. Gonna have to put the adapters, and I'm really trying to put 35s, but I think I'm gonna have to lift the truck. I think 3 inches all around. Maybe not in the back so much because it does have a good sized wheel gap, but I might have to remove those. I forgot what you call these, but I have to remove those. Probably these two. So I don't think lifting it with the torsion keys is gonna clear 35s. So I've seen some people that cut these right here. They make like a cut, start from the metal piece and this. I really don't want to cut this. I don't mind cutting this. Some people trim the liner in here and remove this too. Mud flap. Mud flap is the word I was trying to think about in the back. It is a manual 4x4, which in a way is kind of good because the more electrical stuff you have, the harder or more expensive it is to fix if it goes bad. So, that's just manual, mechanical 4x4. Try to do a sunroof on this one today, actually. Still have some sunroofs available if you guys are interested. I forgot to mention about the roof lights, the cab lights. Getting those changed out too, because those have some type of moisture. They're all faded, kind of look a little bit pinkish. Let me show you guys the engine bay. This truck is basically as I bought it. I haven't washed it or done anything to it, so it looks really dirty right now. The engine is pretty much stock. I did change out the batteries. I put some our own batteries. You guys need a car battery, hit us up. Any 4-wheeler batteries, 18-wheeler batteries, car, truck, van, golf cart, we got those. On this one, I do want to change out the air filter, get maybe like a SMB. I've seen a lot of Duramaxes, they do like the piping and all that stuff. I think that looks pretty cool, so I might consider that maybe in the future or so. Let me turn it on for you guys so you can hear it. Alright guys, so this is a end result. New headliner as well, so if you guys interested in getting one, let me know.